Here we got the package. Let's unbox the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This one is a creator combo, as you can see here. Oh my god, this got a little bit damage here. Amazon guys, be careful next time when you deliver my packages. This is how it looks. Yeah, this is the box packaging. On the sides, DJI. Packaging looks very as usual, similar which it is provided, the DJI branding everywhere. Only on the front you get that DJI Osmo Pocket 4 branding, and this is how it looks. You can see from the image that there is a picture, the gimbal, how it appears. There is a record button, zoom button, and then the back button, of course. See, this is tilt table. So its app is available on both on Android and Apple App Store. Then the features, of course, on the back, what is there in the box, and then the screen size, the camera sensor size, the gimbal, all those detailing, nice details. Let's open it and get it off. I can imagine, no, the creator combo size is actually a little bit bigger than the normal standard combo box bundle, because in this bundle you get a lot of options. So once it is out, you can see the packaging is of very high quality material. Got two pouches. In one pouch the camera is there. Yes, let me open it up quickly. The package quality is so good of this pouch that you can feel it. This is DJI sticker. Maybe if you wanna stick it to your car, back of the car or something. Now this is how it looks. There is an Osmo branding on the right, top right of the pouch. There is a zipper. Such a beautiful packaging. Really love the quality of the material they have used it here, and some tag and all that. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's unzip it. Wow, wow, just can't wait. So excited. So excited to see the Osmo Pocket 4. This is one of the two windscreen. This is the second windscreen out. The magnet of mic, the mic itself, the transmitter clip for mic. It's all magnetic clip, so you don't get much fuzzy about this. The mic itself, the mini tripod, USB Type-C 3.1 cable, a wrist strap that connects with your camera. That's a magnetic charging cable for your mic. The mic, DJI Mic 3. Mic 3 quality is much better than the Mic 2. That's our Osmo Pocket 4. I think gimbal clamp is clamped to it already. What is this? Let's get it out. Also a very useful wide angle lens and a fill light. It's a very nice pouch, secondary pouch. Portable for carrying. Additional handle with 1/4 thread. Guys, I'm so excited to get it off. It has 107 GB built-in storage, 1-inch CMOS that records 4K to 40 FPS, 2x lossless zoom, and it has 14 stop dynamic range, that's 10-bit D-Log, and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. The screen is touchscreen.